Saratoga Springs. Okay, this is the only resort that we've never stepped foot on. So this is our first time ever being here, and it's big. It's awesome. It's pretty cool. Like, if it's just one of those oddballs that we've never been to it, never ate dinner here, never. I mean, we've been by it on the boat, but it's pretty cool. We'll hopefully explore and go into the pool areas and all that fun stuff later. But here's our first impression room tour. We just got in. It's still a 2024 marathon weekend, and this is our second resort of our stay. So get into it. Here's the entryway. Not much here, just a mirror and just a small entrance area. And here's our bathroom. Here's the shower, bathtub shower. Nice tile work. Here's pretty sure it's still the H2O soap that they just put a sticker on. That's where we're at in that story. Here's the kitchenette area. Mini fridge. We've already put some stuff in. You know, sink, dishwashing soap, kind of typical DVC, villa. Here's the bathroom area. Sink, some drawers to put some stuff. And next to that is a closet that we have full of luggage, if I can get it open. You know, extra pillow, blanket, ironing board, vacuum, sweeper. Here's the in-the-wall safe. Heading out of the bathroom and closet area. Here's the utility closet that we can't get into, and then here's the main bedroom. It's a place to sit down, put your shoes on. Got some storage drawers. Here's the main bed. Looks like it's a queen size. And it does have under the bed storage for suitcases and whatnot. Here's the drawers. And it has these, I really like these lights. It's got your typical plug-in plus USB. Look at the theming. So Saratoga Springs, obviously known for horse racing and stuff. So there's a lot of horse themes. The main lobby has murals of horses all around it. Here's a look at the pool area right outside our balcony. Not really balcony, but walkout area. And you can see it's the race stalls for horses. There's horses out there that are fountains. Hopefully do some pool exploring after that. Here's our TV and dresser area. Plenty of drawers, storage space. And here's our second time seeing the Disney Alexa, which is kind of neat. You can ask it for weather, or what's going on, or what time's fireworks. There's a map of where we're at. This is the main building area, and we're just over here. So it's a pretty short walk. Lots of golf courses around. There's a lot of people playing golf. It looks beautiful. Treehouse villas, so you can see if you ever take the boat from Old Key West or Port Orleans, any of those places, you go by these. It's really cool to see that. And then Disney Springs is over here. But you can see how large this is. All Saratoga Springs. So hopefully we'll get to Treehouse Villas someday. Do a video on that. Yeah, pretty cool. Large resort. Here is the bed. Before we show you the Murphy bed, I thought this was pretty cool. If you're sitting down, this folds up. You got storage space in there. If you want to put stuff in there, I guess. But if you want to sit down and eat, you got a nice little table to sit at. And there's Kara and the two youngest boys. They're out getting ready to go to Magic Kingdom after this, I think. So anyways, I'm gonna set this Murphy bed up. It's easy as that. Put some pillows on there. See the artwork. Saratoga Springs Stables. Pretty cool. Obviously we have a ground floor, but we're really close to the pool, really close to the main building. It has multiple bus stop loop. So you can kind of get everywhere. There's multiple pools to go to and check out, multiple places to eat. Obviously, if you want to golf, this is a really good place to go golf. So we're really impressed with it so far. It's about what you'd expect from a deluxe resort, and we look forward to checking it out and exploring. But first, let's get to the parks again. See ya. Thanks for watching.